So how she not angle the week on, week off?
Well, she adjusts comfortably, And the truth is, she says she have competition on her job on the line. And this little girl is very sociable.
I hope she's smart enough to learn a few things from this young lady. But in actuality, me really still want them to go through that bartending course there. Because you see the customer care. I want them to get the intricacies of it.
Tell me something. What you suggest we can do around here, so? Should I use around here so for the line area, seeing that we have so much space?
Well, that's a thought. But in actuality, what me see is some small gazebos, statue, something originally Jamaican. You know what I mean? And we have a few of them like private booths, because it's like how we are going on this community tourism. Here we can offer like a secluded area for certain clientele.
Yeah, that sound like it. Come to think of it, a gentleman from Yuatan, they come up here some time ago. Same run an Airbnb down there. And him would have loved to carry up some of them tourists them up here so them can have a Kingston yard vibes type of style, make them experience the yard vibes. The fact that the business name yard vibes. And him they like the settings, so you can think about that too and get him involved.
Yuatan, Airbnb. When same place name?
Babes, no, tell you the truth. I can't remember where the place name. But if me hear some names, me can tell you say yes or this, so him say.
Where him the brother look like?
Him did have one tall dark man, him taller than me. Have a little body and him wear a hat.
Tell me something. The place name called that words?
Yes.
Trevor Sullivan.
Yes, that's him. Him same one. Why, you know him?
You know what? Let's just say it's a small world we live in and we have cross paths. You know what? Come and have a drink.
The electrician's supposed to come next week to put the light in the building. And after that, I want to work on the fence, but the front part first. What kind of island is that?
Well, guess what you do? Ask the workman about how much black and things him are going to
Radcliffe.
Walk on, Jim.
George, this is
Radcliffe. Our cousin.
yeah, my cousin. The one who me tell us that the house has stay with me.
Oh! Blessings.
Yeah, man. Pass my pass through now. I'm say, come give her a link.
Radcliffe, this is my half. And my business partner, George Connolly.
Oh, this the George Connolly. The only man is I hear about. Big up yourself.
Oh! So you are the family member where should I tell me about from overseas? So, how would the general?
My business source.
Boy. You don't have a government name?
It's naturally, but not required right now.
If you say so. So what are the magic?
Just no magic.